Mary Catherine Hoffner here with 38 Television, and I'm here with Sheriff Atkinson, and we just wrapped up a very informative public forum here at the Santa Rosa Community Church. And pretty much tonight, it seems like all the speakers that we had were faced with questions of what if this happens, what if that happens, and right now the oil's not here, so you know it's difficult to answer those questions. And so what's the message you want to get out?
I think the main thing that people need to realize now is that Walton County has been spared for the large part at this point, and we certainly don't want to make fear break down the way we do business, to affect our economic engine, to affect our way of life at this point. I mean, you know, the reality of the matter is the amount of oil we have found in this county could fill up, you know, just in my two hands, and that's really about it at this point. So the message we're trying to get across is we are prepared as you can be. There's limitations. However, today we are not in any imminent danger from that. Now, we're very pragmatic of the situation in the Gulf, and we're monitoring it closely, but I think it would behoove us to be as proactive in our business approach as we are in our protection approach, if you will.
Exactly. And it seems like right now, because this is such a disaster, a lot of people are in panic mode, and they're not taking the time to actually realize, like tonight, if they would have shown up and listened to all the great answers that you guys already have formulated. I mean, it seems like, I mean, you guys are...
You know, and we you know, as a local entity and as a local agency, there's limitations to what we can do. However, I think we have pushed the level of what is expected out of local agencies and local government far beyond what people have expected across the country. And we've received a lot of positive feedback from other governmental agencies, other citizens across the southeastern United States about the steps that Walton County has taken to attack this issue head on, if you will. So we're very, very pleased with the progress we're making. We don't like the situation, but we're certainly going to work to try and make it as minimized as best we can.
All right. Well, we appreciate everything that you guys are doing.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.